No, hi, good morning, Shalini and Lavanya. Hope you guys doing well and good. Lavanya,
Yes.
okay, Lavanya, you there?
Hi, sir. Good morning, sir. Sorry,
Good morning.
I'm
No
in
issue.
mute.
Okay,
Uh,
Lavanya, listen. We'll start for you. I'll start after 15, after 30 minutes. Will this be fine? You can stay on this call
Okay,
or you may join after 30 minutes.
okay, sir. I
Okay?
will join after 30 minutes. I will
No,
join 12
you
o'clock, sir.
can. You can stay here
Okay, sir.
or it's up to
Okay,
you.
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi, Shalini, shall we start?
Yeah, we can start.
Okay. Hi, Shalini. In previous session, we have seen determinations, various order types, document controlling, order process, a master data, delivery process, billing process, delivery process, order process. Further moving, we'll see we have various order types, which is called contracts and agreements. I believe you are aware about contracts. If not, no any issue. We'll have once again what exactly contracts are. Contracts, it's an agreement between two parties, a customer and a vendor. ओके, मान लो हम एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं, बेसिकली ए बिजनेस एंड ए वेंडर, बिजनेस और ए बिजनेस यूजर, या तो एक कोई बिजनेस और उसका कोई क्लाइंट, ठीक है। वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट किस टाइप का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट रहेगा? ओके, सो there are various contracts like master contract, quantity contract, value contract, or service contract. So we'll see what is quantity contracts and value contracts. We'll try to understand. A quantity contract is an agreement that enables customer to order a certain quantity of items, products, or material. All are same during a specific period. The contract contains basic quantity and pricing information. Sorry, price information, but no schedule of specific delivery dates or quantities. Means एक क्वांटिटी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बनेगा दो पार्टीज के बीच। वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में मटेरियल की क्वांटिटी रहेगी एंड उस मटेरियल का प्राइस रहेगा, बट उसमें डिलीवरी शेड्यूल नहीं रहेगा। एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे एक 3 महीने का एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट देख लो। एग्जाम्पल, लेट्स एज्यूम 3 मंथ्स के लिए एक पार्टी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट अग्री कर रही है जहां पे उसको आइटम चाहिए फॉर ए प्राइस ऑफ 100 रुपीज फॉर ए पीरियड ऑफ 3 मंथ्स। 3 मंथ्स के लिए कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, आइटम एंड प्राइस 100 रुपीज के लिए। दिस इज क्वांटिटी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट। सो वो क्वांटिटी रहेगी, लेट्स एज्यूम 100 पीसेस और 10 पीसेस। एनी डाउट इन द क्वांटिटी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट? अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस वन?
No.
Then we have one more kind of contract which is called as value contract. A value contract is a contractual agreement with a customer that contains material and services that they may receive within a time period and up to a target value. Value contract, as the name itself describes, it's a contract for a value wherein this will be a target value. यानी एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बनेगा बेस्ड ऑन वैल्यूज। हमने क्वांटिटी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट देखा जहां पे क्वांटिटी स्पेसिफाई होगी, और वैल्यू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में एक वैल्यू मेंटेन होगी अगेंस्ट ए पर्टिकुलर मटेरियल और सर्विसेज। ए वैल्यू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कैन कंटेन सर्टेन मटेरियल और ग्रुप ऑफ मटेरियल्स, फॉर एग्जांपल ए प्रोडक्ट हायरार्की और असॉर्टेड मॉड्यूल। ये दोनों में से एक कैटेगरी है जो कि प्रोडक्ट डिटरमाइन होगा. Then order type will be WK1, item category will be WKN, and condition type will be WK00. So how are we going to execute these type of contracts in SAP? To execute this, we need master data, right? So let me see quickly available master data. Let's consider material customer 900901. Material N3. Okay. So while creating a quantity contract, order type shall be QC and transaction code will be VS41. VA41 and create contract initial screen. For example, if we don't know the transaction code, we can navigate through easy access, logistics, sales and distribution, sales, and here we can see the contract. If you expand this, we have transaction code VA41 create, 42 change, 43 display, ACB advanced order processing and billing. Double click on this VA01. Let's maintain quantity contract as QC, order type as QC, then sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Maintain these fields, click enter. Now we are trying to make a contract, which is quantity contract. Let's maintain the customer. For this customer, let's maintain the validity period. For this period from 18th of March to 30th of March or 31st of March. For this period, we are trying to supply this material for a quantity of 10 pieces. इस कस्टमर के साथ अग्रीमेंट बना रहे हैं हम इस मटेरियल को लेकर क्वांटिटी 10 फॉर ए पीरियड ऑफ दिस मच फ्रॉम 18th March to 31st of March. Enter. Enter. As we can see here, item category is KMN. So आप इस कैटेगरी आइटम कैटेगरी Vivo V4 सॉरी Vivo V7 हाँ आइटम कैटेगरी Vivo V7 में आप जाकर KMN में किस तरह की सेटिंग्स है वो चेक करिए. फाइन. नो अपॉन एंटरिंग वी गॉट द वैल्यू ऑफ 990. टारगेट क्वांटिटी इज 10
Not
pieces.
to the item category.
Sorry,
I
come again.
didn't understand about that item. Okay.
KMN. Okay, whenever we create an order, right? So item category controls the item level. Okay, is this item relevant for billing? Is this item relevant for delivery? Is this item relevant for pricing? ये आइटम कैटेगरी से रिलेटेड मैंने आपको सेल्स डॉक्यूमेंट में बताया था. तो आप एक बार उसको
No, no, I understood the item category. The KMN you find in other screen now. So I
okay
didn't get it.
okay. So in order to understand what are the controlling fields that's with. Hello, shall I continue?
Okay.
Okay. So what exactly this item category controls. In order to understand how exactly this KMN is controlling related to pricing, related to billing, related to delivery, all these fields. So there is a transaction code VO V7, enter. Yeah, no problem. Yes. Click on to position, go for the item category KMN. Select it, click on to details. We can see here certain fields are active, like pricing is yes, completion tool is yes, no relevancy for billing, likewise. These are the controlling fields that needs to be just to have an overview. बेसिकली ये केएमएन किसको किसको कंट्रोल कर रहा है हम यहाँ पर एक बार चेक कर सकते हैं जस्ट टू हैव एन अंडरस्टैंडिंग नो सो we have made a quantity contract. Enter it and save it. Edit. Okay, PO number. I'll make this as and save it. Now, between both the parties, the contract is ready. So the customer goes back to his business location. Okay, वो अपने घर जाएगा एक सॉरी वो अपने ऑफिस वगैरह लोकेशन पे चले जाएगा एक हफ्ते बाद या 2 हफ्ते बाद अगले मंथ ठीक है he will this customer will release an order okay against this contract ठीक है एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट तो रेडी हो गया दोनों पार्टीज के बीच कि इस मटेरियल को इतनी क्वांटिटी में इस प्राइस में आप हमें डिलीवर करेंगे ठीक है तो वो जो कस्टमर रहेगा एक रिलीज ऑर्डर भेजेगा
बट ये तो हम B2B ऑर्डर जब लोडिंग करते हैं ना तभी भी तो लाइक हम करके रख सकते हैं ना इसका लोडिंग
I'm not sure about your concept. Can you please help me to understand?
once if the material is available so we do the we directly generate the invoice, right? If the material is available in warehouse,
Okay.
got my point?
Mhm. I need to understand the complete business model. Every business has their own set of operations. Yours is quite different. I need to understand, but we are going a standard process.
See, my company
Your voice is feeble.
right now is okay.
Yes, please continue.
Okay, so my company was an IT distributor company. So what we were basically doing, we had our warehouse. Okay, so whatever the material or quantity is available, so we do we do directly billing. Okay, and if suppose we do not have the material, if it is in transit, if it is not available at the present warehouse, so we do a loading, a B2B loading. Once the material once the material will come in the warehouse, so it will directly going to the billing as per date, which is mentioned by the client.
Fine.
So, is there need any kind of contract?
No, the concept is quite different. Okay. The one which you have gave
Okay,
me an overview. We'll come to this at later point. We are trying to have
got
a basic understanding how exactly a contract is. The business scenario which you gave is quite customized one, and that is not related to the sales. That is related to the logistics and procurement. Sales is quite different. Okay, we'll come to that one, but let's have a basic understanding about contracts. Surely, we'll go through that one. Now, as we have contract, the customer has released an order. So we'll create an order for the customer which he has sent a purchase order to us. Order type OR. Order type OR. We are trying to create we are trying to release an order against the contract number, copy. Okay. And this is the customer, this is the quantity, right? In the contract, we have 10 pieces. If I go beyond this quantity, which is mentioned in contracts, if I make 15 pieces, enter. We can see here a warning message. Target quantity of the reference is only 10 pieces, whereas in the order, we are mentioning 15 pieces, which is a discrepancy between a contract and the released order. Enter. So basically यहाँ पे हमारे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में 10 पीसेस का अग्रीमेंट हुआ है, बट ये रिलीज जो हुआ है ऑर्डर, उसमें क्वांटिटी सेम रहेगी तो ठीक है। अगर से क्वांटिटी ज्यादा हो गई तो सिस्टम एक वार्निंग मैसेज देगा कि भाई यहाँ पर क्वांटिटी एक्स्ट्रा है जहाँ पे अग्रीमेंट से ज्यादा है, तो वो मैसेज को हम देखें, रेस्पेक्टिव एक्शन नीड्स टू बी टेकन, राइट? So I'll keep this as 10 pieces. Click on to incompletion log, check the incompletion log. Data is complete. And save it. This is how quantity contract works. Standard business process. Any doubt in this quantity contract?
No.
Okay. Now, moving further, we have one more kind of contract, which is value contract. This is also a kind of contract between two parties with material or services with a target value. Let's try creating another contract. /n VA41. Contract type shall WK1. Contract type WK1, which is value general contract or value contract. Enter. This is the customer. Target value is, let's assume 1000. यहाँ पे हम एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बना रहे हैं फॉर ए वैल्यू ऑफ 1000. ओके. वैलिडिटी पीरियड फ्रॉम 19th March to 31st of March. एंटर. एंड यहाँ पर मटेरियल मेंटेन कर दीजिए, VX01 आइटम T1. ओके. Value contract, purchase order date, enter. Here we can see condition type as WK00. We'll come to this one. This is related to pricing. Okay, we'll come to this one at later part. And we can see here item category is WKN, which is one more kind of area wherein we need to check what are the fields that's been controlling at item category level with reference WKN. Check for incompletion log and save it. So with this value contract, let's assume customer has released an order. यानी ये agreement contract ready हो गया with a value of 1000. कुछ दिनों बाद इस कस्टमर ने एक रिलीज ऑर्डर भेजा है. उस रिलीज ऑर्डर को हम सिस्टम पे कैसे रिलीज करेंगे अगेंस्ट दिस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट? ऑर्डर टाइप और creating an order with reference to this contract. Contract number, copy the contract. Okay, one partner, copy. Let's maintain the quantity as 10 pieces. Here, click on to this tab, enter material. Either we can click it here, either we can maintain here, open quantity 10 pieces, or click on to this tab, enter material. And quantity 10 pieces. Go back, copy. We can see here in the order we have 10 pieces. and with a net value of 990. अगर से आप यहाँ पे नोटिस करेंगे तो नेट वैल्यू इज 990 विच इज बिलो द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट। वैल्यू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हमने कितने का बनाया था? हेलो।
Hello.
हाँ शालिनी, हमने वैल्यू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कितने का बनाया था?
100.
वन समझ गया?
Sorry.
वैल्यू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कितने का बनाया था हमने?
Hello. 100. 100.
1000 का बनाया था, ठीक है। नाउ द वैल्यू हियर, नेट वैल्यू, ऑर्डर जो रिलीज हो रहा है ना अभी, ये ऑर्डर 990 का है। अगर से मैं इसको यहाँ पे क्वांटिटी एक्सीड कर दूंगा 15 एंटर, अभी नेट वैल्यू 1485 है विच इज बियॉन्ड द वैल्यू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, यानी 485 रुपये जो है वो वैल्यू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट से ज्यादा है। नाउ इफ आई ट्राई टू गो एंड सेव द ऑर्डर, द सिस्टम पॉप्ड अप ए न्यू विंडो। सिस्टम बोल रहा है कि टारगेट वैल्यू ऑफ द वैल्यू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हैज बीन एक्सीडेड। वैल्यू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट जो है इसके आइटम लेवल पे इसको चेक कर लेंगे, डिफरेंस जितना आ रहा है वो है 485। होप यू आर एबल टू फॉलो नाउ।
Hmm.
यानी वैल्यू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, जिस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को हम बना रहे ऑर्डर रिलीज कर रहे हैं वहां पे इतना वैल्यू का डिफरेंस आ रहा है। सो वी नीड टू चेक एंड वी नीड टू टेक द करेक्टिव एक्शन। either if you want to save we can save, either we want to edit, yes we can edit. We'll go back to this and we'll make this as 10 quantity. Now if I try to save, the system will not throw a warning message or window. I'll save it. So this is the value contract and quantity contract. Master contract is nothing but which includes all.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Sorry. Okay. So this is the value contract and quantity contract. Now master contract is nothing but which includes all these contracts: quantity contract, value contract, and service contract. Service contract we won't be able to execute. This is because the here the functionality is quite different, which we won't be able to execute at the moment. ये नहीं कर पाएंगे हम service contracts. We can have value contracts and quantity contracts. If any doubts related to contracts, please don't hesitate when asking.
No.
Okay?
So there is uh, four types of contracts: master, quantity, value, and service, right?
Yes, these are the kind of contracts. Basically, it's a kind of pre-sales activity. Pre-sales
Got
activity.
it.
यहाँ पे that could be a contract, agreement, okay? जैसे इंक्वायरी होता है, कोटेशन होता है, उसी तरह basically this is a pre-sales order, which is a kind of placing an order. Before this, there will be quotation, inquiry, agreement, and contracts. Okay. Now let's go with another functionality. We have scheduling agreement. This is also kind of an agreement, okay, with order type. Okay, we'll check first. Order type shall be DS, yani Okay, sorry. Here we have one more kind of functionality which is called as scheduling agreement. With the term itself, we can understand it's a kind of agreement with scheduling. Means यहाँ पर एक agreement होगा. That agreement will be based on delivery dates. Okay, कौन सा material किस डेट को डिलीवर होगा. Which material? There are few materials, few items that shall be delivered on a particular timeline or particular schedule. So that is called scheduling agreement. Now, how are we going to execute that? There is a order type which is called as DS. For this, we have transaction code VA31 for a create mode, 32 for a change mode, and 33 for a display mode. We can use same master data /n VA31. In case if we don't remember this transaction code, we can navigate through logistics, sales and distribution, sales. We can see here scheduling agreement. VA31 create, change and display. Click on to VA31. Scheduling agreement types is DS. Enter. Let's maintain the customer here. Material, quantity 10 pieces and enter. Okay, let's maintain the validity period from 19th of March to 31st of March. Enter. As we can see here, if we observe, there is no net value. Okay, and we can see here item category as LPM. I'll double click on this. Let's go to the schedule lines. Let's go to the schedule lines. Double click on this. Click on to schedule line tab. We have 10 quantity, right? So let's make schedule on 22nd of March. We need 5 pieces, and on 28th of March, we need remaining 5 pieces. Enter. Okay. Go back. Now we can see here the net value is updated. Upon updating scheduling dates, the value will be updated. Let me show it again. I'll delete this item. Okay. Again, we are back to new screen. Sorry. Net value 0. Let's add up the material. Order quantity, target quantity 10 pieces. Enter. Upon entering, we did not see any net value updated. Double click on this. Go to the schedule lines. Update delivery date to 22 or 28. Make the quantity first batch on 22nd March, second batch on 28th March. Enter it. Go back to overview screen. We can see the net value is updated. And save it. Okay, let's see what's the incompletion log. Okay, purchase order number. Let's maintain this as scheduling agreement. Save it. Okay, so in this scheduling agreement, we can proceed with direct delivery. Means we have this agreement, right? So with this agreement, let's proceed for delivery, which is VL01. Agreement number, shipping point, and delivery date. Enter. Let's go back and change the date to 22nd of March. Enter. On this date, we have first batch of delivery, which is 5 pieces. Go to the picking tab and pick the quantity and sell it. One delivery is created. There is another batch of delivery for remaining 5 pieces. Enter. The next batch is on 28th. Enter. Pick the quantity and save it. Now we have 2 deliveries, first batch delivery and second batch delivery. We can proceed with billing for both deliveries. Let's go back to agreement. BA33 in a display mode.
Screen
Sorry.
स्क्रीन शो नहीं हो रहा है Just a minute. नहीं yeah it is okay.
Okay. So we'll go to the display agreement, which is transaction code VA33, and click on to display document flow. We can see here 2 deliveries are created. So let's copy this delivery number. And for this delivery, let's create billing. We can have one billing for 2 deliveries. VF01. Okay. We are trying to create one billing document for 4 deliveries. Okay. Enter. And VF01. Okay, goods issue has not been done. Okay. /n VL02N. This is the delivery number. Enter. Click on to post goods issue. There is one more delivery with 28. Click on to post goods issue. Let's try creating again billing document /n VF01 for both the deliveries. Enter it.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Please continue.
Okay. Enter it. Okay. Document has been saved. No accounting document generated. Okay. There is an error with accounting generation. We'll see at later part. As of now, we can go with the creation of agreement and further proceeding with delivery. With regards to billing, we'll see in next sessions. Okay. Shalini, any doubts?
No, not in doubt.
Okay. Thanks, Shalini. I'll be sharing
और
this.
भी करना है इसको
आपकी वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही है, बोलो.
मुझे प्रैक्टिकल करना है किसी से
Okay. Okay. I'll share this user ID with you also. ठीक है.
आप
आपकी वॉइस काफी ब्रेक हो रही है.
आप दिन में और कभी फ्री रहने वाले हैं
नहीं नहीं नहीं, मेरा अभी सेशन
आई विल कॉल यू
ओके.
ओके विल कॉल यू बैक
ओके, थैंक यू.
यू
हाय. हाय लावण्या.
Sir.
हेलो.
Hi, sir.
हाय लावण्या. Okay, let's
Hi,
drop
sir.
it and reconnect with the same meeting link. Okay. वाली connect होगा.
Okay. Okay.